Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Max online class. Okay. So in the previous class, what we did? In the previous class, we gave adding tens. January portion I started, isn't it? Adding tens, draw the beads and add the following. 3 mains I gave. Now I am going to continue with the next main. Keep ready the Max class book. Fresh page and start. Okay, children? Yes. Start. Continue with the fresh page. Word problems. Okay, children. So keep ready. Max class work. Right in the class work book. Fresh page open and start. In the previous class, I gave you 3 pages, 3 mains, and started the January portion. I am going to continue with that. Okay. Written heading word problems. WORD word. PROBLEMS. Word problems. Bunny had 36 sweets. His brother gave him 36 sweets. His brother gave him 13 sweets. Together, he had sweets. So, word problems. Bunny had BUNNY, Bunny. Okay. Bunny is the name of a child. Bunny had 36 sweets. How many sweets he is having? 36 sweets. His brother gave him 13 sweets. His brother also will give him 13 sweets. Okay. First he had how many sweets? First he had 36 sweets. Plus, how many his brother will give? 13 sweets extra. His brother will give. Brother gives 13 sweets. So totally, how many sweets? Together he had dash sweets. Totally, how many sweets you have? You have to do addition. Understand? Do addition. Okay, Bunny had 36 sweets. His brother gave him 13 sweets. Together, he had dash sweets. How many sweets? We have to do the addition. So, tens, ones. 36 sweets we have. Brother also will give 13 extra. Now, you do the addition. How to do addition? You know, no? When you have double digit addition, first do the right side. Ones, tens, ones. One side. You should start from right side. Ones. This side. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Right here, 9. Okay. Then come to this side. 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 3, 4. Okay? After 3, right? After 3, 4. Total how many sweets he is having now? Together he had dash sweets. How many sweets? 49 sweets. Right in the box here. Together he had 49 sweets. Understand how to do? Yes. After one sum, come to the second sum. Second sum, do it in the next page. I'll write here only, but you don't write here only. You write it in the next page, second page. Okay? Write second sum in the next page. Dolly had 42 storybooks. Dolly had 42 storybooks. Her mother gave her gave her 5 more books. Dash books in all. Yes. Dolly had 42 storybooks. How many? 42. Plus, her mother gave her 5 more books. 5 more books extra mother will give. So, plus 5. You have to add both this. She has dash books in all. Okay. First, she'll be having 42 books. Then, mother also will give 5 more books extra. So, we have to add those two. Then, how many books she has in all? We have to find out. Understand? So, you know how to do the addition, isn't it? When you have double digit addition, 2 digits addition, tens, ones, first you should start from the right side. That is ones. 2 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Here, if there is no number, think it as 0. 4 plus 0, 4 itself. Understand? So, totally how many books she is having now? She has 47 books in all. Understand? Yes. One more time, I'll explain the first and second sum. Then we'll move to the next main. So, have you written the heading? Word problems. Then start the first sum. In each page, only one sum. Okay. Second sum, do it in the next page. I have written on the board beside, and you also don't write like. Understand, children? Yes. Start the first sum. Bunny had 36 sweets. His brother gave him 13 sweets. Together he had dash sweets. Like that they'll give. So you should start from the tens and ones. How many sweets he have? Bunny, 36. First step I have written. Second step, his brother gave him 13 sweets. So start 13, 36 plus 13. You have to do the addition. How to do addition? 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 3, 4. So totally 49 sweets. Then come to the next page. Copy the second sum. Dolly had 42 storybooks. Her mother gave her 5 more books. Okay. 42 storybooks. Dolly she had. Then 5 more books mother will give. 42 plus 5. She has 47 books in all. So I do addition. 2 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 0, 4. So totally 47 books. Understand? So copy down all the two sums in the separate pages neatly in the classwork. Then keep ready the next main. Okay, next main start in the next page. Keep ready next page. Have you understood these two sums? Yes. By the time I clear the board, to keep ready the next fresh page to write the next main. Okay. That is the fresh page. Next main, subtract tens. Subtract tens. Adding tens we did in the previous class, isn't it? Now, subtraction sums, subtract tens. Leave a gap between each sum. Don't attach all the sums together. Okay. In sum afterwards, leave some gap and copy down the sums neatly. Don't mix up all. Yes. Should we start? Have you written? First write the heading, subtract 10. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T. Subtract T-E-N-S, 10. Subtract tens. So, adding tens we did no, same like that, but it will be the subtraction sums. Don't get confusion. In addition, what you are doing, you're keeping the mind and finger, counting and writing. In subtraction, keep in finger, fold it, remaining answer you should write. Okay. We'll do one by one sums, so you'll understand still well. So let's start the first sum, tens and ones. Which side you should start first? First start from ones, right side, always, okay? 0 minus 0, 0. So 7 minus 3, how you'll do? Keep it 7 fingers keep. Minus 3, fold 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4 balance. So 70 minus 30, what answer you got? 40. Okay. Then come to the second sum, 0 minus 0, 0. Keep how many fingers? 5 fingers. Then fold 1 finger. How many balance? 1, 2, 3, 4 balance. 50 minus 10, what answer you got? 40. Understand? 0 minus 0, 0. So keep 4 fingers. Fold how many? 1 finger fold. How many balance? 1, 2, 3 balance. Right here, 40 minus 10. 30 you have got. Then 0 minus 0, 0. Keep how many fingers? 6 fingers. Fold how many? 4 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the balance? 2. Understand? You should see the symbol here. If there is minus and heading also you should see. Then you should do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. How many fingers you should keep? Keep 8 fingers. Fold how many? 3 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balance. That is 80 minus 30, 50. Next. Last sum. 0 minus 0, 0. Keep how many fingers? Keep 9 fingers. Fold how many? 5 fingers fold. What's the balance? See? 1, 2, 3, 4 balance. 90 minus 50, 40. Understand, children? Yes. After doing the sums, check it once again properly and do. So you can keep it finger and fold, that method also. Or you can draw the circle and cancel it. 2 methods I have shown now. Both the methods, you can use any one. So 7, you can draw here. 7 circles. 3 means cut 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Like that, check it once. Then only write. So draw 5 circles, cut how many? 1. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4. This method also you can use and do. 2, 3, 4, cut 1. 1, 2, 3, balance. Understand? Next. Come to the next sum. Draw how many circles? 6 circles. Cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the balance? 2, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut 3. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also like that. Draw 9 circles. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cut 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. This method also you can use, okay? Understand, children? Yes. So subtraction tens have understood. After doing sums, check it once. 70 minus 30, have you got 40? 50 minus 10, 40. 40 minus 10, 30. 60 minus 40, 20. How to do you know? No. Keep it finger and fold and do correctly. 80 minus 30, 50. 90 minus 50, 40. How many mains we wrote now? 3 mains. Isn't it 3 pages? Now come to the 4th page. Start in the next page. By the time I clear the board, to keep ready the next page, fresh page, then start. Right, heading next one. Draw the beads. Draw the beads and subtract. Draw the beads and subtract. So, in addition, we did this main. In this main, you will be having 3 steps. So, one sum in one page you can do. 8 ones minus 4 tens plus 2 ones. Second step. Here. So, how to do? We first read the heading, draw the beads and subtract. Understand? Have you understand the heading? Then in this sum, you will be having 3 steps. This is the first step, second, and here third step. How to do the first step? 7 tens plus 1s, 4 tens plus 2 ones they are given. And you should see here minus symbol. You should do subtraction. What you should do? Subtraction. So as I told you, first do the right side, that is ones, this side. Keep how many fingers? Keep 8 fingers. Keep 8 fingers. Fold how many? 2 fingers fold. What's the balancing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balance. Right here, 6 ones. Understand? Next, come to the next. Tens place. What's the number? 7. Keep 7 fingers. Keep 7 fingers. Fold how many? 4 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3. Balance. So right here, 3 tens plus 6 ones. So second step also like that only. 7 tens plus 8 ones. 7 in the tens place, 8 ones, 8 in the ones place. Next, 4 tens, 4 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place. Okay, what answer you got? You can write here. 3 in the tens place and 6 in the ones place. Here also draw the beads. Tens place 3 beads. Then here 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understand how to do this main? This complete 3 steps. It should be written in the one page. The first sum of this main. One more sum is there like this. Copy neatly and understand and write, children, neatly. So I'll tell you once again this main. Draw the beads and subtract. You'll be having 3 steps. This is the first step. 7 tens plus 8 ones. 4 tens plus 2 ones. Here it will be there minus symbol. You shouldn't get confusion. Oh, plus is there here, man. You shouldn't get. It will be there plus in between the tens and ones. But here you should observe. Okay, this is the minus symbol. Don't get confusion. So as it is, keep it 8 fingers. Fold 2, you will get 6. 7 fingers, keep 4, fold 3 tens. Same thing you should write here. 3 in the tens place, 6 in the ones place. Beads also. Tens place, what is the answer you got? 3. So draw 3 beads. Here you got ones place 6. Draw 6 beads. Understand? Understand this main? Yes, same main. You have the second sum. Main same, but second sum you copy down in the next page. Next page, okay? No need to write heading once again. Same main. Just you turn the page and write it, the second sum. 8 tens plus 3 ones minus 6 tens plus 2 ones. Tens 3, 6, 2. Yes. How to do, children? So first sum we did know, same like that only. 3 ones minus 2 ones. First, I told you, see this symbol. Here it is given plus, don't get confusion. This is subtraction sum. Here I have written here, see, minus symbol. Keep how many fingers? 3 fingers. Fold how many? 2 fingers. Fold. What is the balance? 1. 3 minus 2, how much you got? 1. And do this side now. Keep 8 fingers. Keep 8 fingers. Fold. 6 fingers. Fold how many? 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the balance? 1, 2. What answer you got? 2 tens plus 1 ones. So write the same thing in the answer here. 2 in the 1 tens place, 1 in the ones place. Beads also. How many beads you should draw? That you should see the answer. 2 is there in the tens place. Draw here 2 beads. 1 is there in the ones place. Draw only 1 bead. Understand? Yes. So in the addition, you're drawing the answers, what they have got, that beads. But in subtraction, no. Subtraction sum. First draw here, 8 beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beads. Okay. Then, ones place draw 3 beads. Cut the beads. How many beads you'll cut? Second step, what is it? That number of beads, you should cut it. 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads. What's the answer? 2. So got here 2. And here see 3 beads, cut 2. What answer you got? 1. Understand, children? Yes. The second sum. In the first sum also, in the abacus sum, we didn't do the cancellation, isn't it? So please correct it that. Understand the second sum, children? Yes. Same main first sum, abacus sum. You just draw the beads, but cutting you didn't do. That you correct it, okay? The first sum. We are doing addition sum. So like that only we have drawn the beads, isn't it? We should do cutting in the subtraction sum. So please correct it the first sum, children. Everything is correct. Only in abacus we should cut and write the answer. So like this it was given. Here you are drawn 6 ones you are written, isn't it? That is correct. Here 3 tens you are written. It's also right. Here also. First step, second step, no problem. You are written correctly. That is correct. In abacus sum, you should check it. Okay, in abacus sum, first step, what number you have got, that number of beads you should draw. So what's the number here in the tens place? 7. So draw your 7 beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This only this abacus sum you correct it. Okay. Rub it and correct it. 7 tens, 8 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understand? So now, second step, what number they have given, that number of bits you should cut it. 4 tens. So cut it 4 in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4. What answer you got? 2. Isn't it? Oh, yes, 7 is there. 7 beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads. Cut 4 beads. What's the balance? See? 1, 2, 3. 3 bits is there in the answer. Then it is correct. Then come to the ones place. 8 bits draw, cut 2 beats. Then how many balance left? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beats left. Understand, children? Yes. So, today what all the mains we wrote in the class were? Word problems, two sums, subtractance, draw the beats and subtract. Totally you wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. It should be written today in the classwork. Understand? After doing this main, keep ready homework book. Today's homework sums we will give. Okay? Classwork book today enough. This much you practice and write it correctly. Yes. Keep ready now. Homework book. That's homework book. Today's sums. And give subtractance. Just now we did in the classwork this May. So that means only I give the sum subtractance. Okay. Numbers will change and give. If you understand the concept, sum, you can do any number of sums will give, we can able to do. Isn't it? One sum I'll show the answer, remaining sum you should do. Yes. So, subtract tens. How many sums I given? Total 6 sums I given. One sum I'll show the answer. Remaining to do it at home. Subtract tens. How to do? 0 minus 0, 0. Keep how many fingers? Keep 9 fingers. Fold how many? 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the balance? 190 minus 80. You got 10. Like that only you can do the next remaining sums at home. Okay. Will you do? One more sum you want me to show? Yes. 0 minus 0, 0. Keep how many fingers? Keep 6 fingers. Fold how many? See the second number. 3. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3 balance. Understand? Like that only to do the other sum. Understand, children? Will you do? Yes. So today complete the classwork, do the homework. Remaining means will continue in the next class. Thank you, children.